Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ericka. For today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 steps on how to be a Zalora seller. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. Okay, before we start, make sure you use your laptop or desktop because it's easier compared to a phone. But if you only have a phone, make sure to open the Zalora website through your browser, not the app. Okay? Alright, the first step is to click the link in the description box so that you will be directed to the Zalora website, or you can search zalora.com.ph. So there you go. So once you're in the website already, scroll down at the end of the page and then under promotion and deals, click sell with us. And then on that page, you will see why you should sell in Zalora, what to expect, like the process, and the categories that you can sell in Zalora. So fashion, of course, clothing, shoes, accessories, home and lifestyle, and also gadgets and all that. Second step is to click sign up and join the Zalora Seller Circle. Third step is to fill out all the necessary details. But before you submit, make sure your business is registered because Zalora only accepts brands that are registered, okay? So I can 100% guarantee that all brands that you see on Zalora are legit, okay? So once you click submit, the Zalora team will receive your application and then they will review it. And then once they're done reviewing, they're gonna reach out to you, I believe via email, based on the email that you provided in the details. So make sure that's accurate, okay? And then once approved and finalized, you may start selling in Zalora. There you go. So that's it. Only 3 steps on how to be a seller in Zalora. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Bye!